What's up, my friend? Welcome back to the Home Audio Project, the place to help narrators and voiceover artists edit and master their audio. I'm audiobook engineer Ryan May. How are you addressing the nasal frequency of your voice? Did you know that there's even such a frequency range, and that it could be killing your vocal quality of your audiobooks? When I'm EQing audiobooks, this is by far the number one frequency range that I start with 95% of the time in my work. Why? Because there happens to be certain words and or phrases that we all say as people that use our nasal passage more directly, more than our throat. No matter what region you live in within the world, at some point, our nose gets the best of us. You know what I'm talking about? But before we jump into the video though, I want to give you a free gift that you can use as you're watching this video. I call this the Narration EQ Guide. It's just a simple gift I want to throw your way just for stopping by and hanging out with me. And it's free. So head to the link in the description and it's yours. So usually I'm a Pro Tools guy in audiobooks, but I'm going to jump into Studio One Prime just to show you that you can use any DAW with the stock EQ plugin and how it can be used to take care of that crappy nasal frequency. All right, now that we're in our Studio One session, I'm just going to play this audio quickly.
I'd like your Spanish omelet, but go easy on the ham. Can I have whole wheat toast with that?
Now, this is already a very clean recording, but again, every voice is going to have that nasal frequency. So let's play this. I'm going to open up the stock EQ plugin, the Pro EQ that comes with Studio One. We'll just pull that up. And I just want to note that the nasal frequency is going to fall in between anywhere from 250 hertz to around roughly 600 hertz. Could be a little bit above that, but everyone's different. So it does depend on where your nasal frequency may lie. But I'm going to sweep up in between 250 and 600 hertz. And my approach on this is raising the gain all the way up, or as much as it can go. So that I'm going to raise it up 24 dB. I'm going to narrow out the Q. The reason why I do this is I like to just sweep back and forth. So I'll start at that 250 range. I just like to sweep back and forth. This is the seek and destroy method. And I'll creep up in between 250 and 600 hertz, find any and all frequencies within this nasal range that I don't like, cut them, and then widen out the Q to take care of those lingering frequencies that I don't really like. But I want to pinpoint the actual nasal frequency that really bothers me. Let me demonstrate.
Can I have whole wheat toast with that? Yes, ma'am. Loopy smiled, taking the menu from Trudy. I can switch the ham for Canadian bacon if you'd like, less fat. Perfect. Trudy gave a thumbs up and took another swallow of orange juice. Loopy turned to Jewel. How about you, Miss Pardon, New Mexico?
So right there at 296, that's the frequency that I'm not necessarily enjoying. That's not really pleasant to my ears. But the surrounding areas are a little bit bothersome as well. So again, I'm just going to dip this down, and I'm going to play it while I do this. Widen out the Q a little bit to take care of those surrounding frequencies that are also a little irritating to the ear.
Jewel removed her spectacles. I'll have the same thing Trudy's having.
So let's cut this.
Go heavy on the ham. At my age,
and then
I
let's
think
widen
I can
out the
afford to
Q.
go whole hog. She handed Loopy the menu and spread a napkin on her lap.
Now let's give it one more listen, and I'll bypass the plugin and then turn it on.
Not that I'm bragging, but I was also crowned Miss Eastern New Mexico before I left to attend Texas Tech. Brag away, Miss Jewel. Seriously, next time you come in, bring one of your old beauty pageant photos.
All right, so there you have it. I hope this gives you a little bit of insight in how you can find your nasal frequency. Okay, so there you go. I hope this was helpful. And give it a try. Let me know if you found the nasal frequency of your voice. Let me know in the comments below because I'm really curious. With the frequency range being so broad as it is, it can still be tricky for me at times. especially if the narrator has such a clean and crisp vocal quality already. And if you're looking to improve the tonal quality of your voice, then remember, download my free narration EQ guide. It's completely free, so you can either head to the link below, or you can also head to thehomeaudioproject.com/EQ. It's free. It's just a free gift to you for sticking around with me in this video. Now, I hate to struggle, and I don't want to see you struggle, so grab it. It's in the link, and I know it can help you. Until next time, my friend, I will talk to you next week, and I hope you have a great day.